When the pandemic first started wreaking havoc on the economy, Congress approved federal funds for relief. St. Louis County alone got $173 million from Washington.
News 4 has been working to find out how those funds are being put to use. Tonight, investigator Chris Nagus follows the flow of money.
In Bellefontaine Neighbors, the decorations are going up at City Hall, but this year's budget hasn't brought much cheer. The mayor is thankful for federal money. How much federal money did Bellefontaine Neighbors get?
Well, we got roughly $746,000.
How do you guys plan to spend that money?
Well, we're going to replace the money that we've already spent.
In Bellefontaine Neighbors, that's meant covering payroll, overtime, and other unexpected public safety costs related to COVID.
We had several people tested positive for the coronavirus, and they could not come to work, but we had to pay them.
If it wasn't for this money, how would you guys cover those bills?
Well, if it wasn't for this money, we couldn't cover those bills.
At least not without dipping into the city's reserves, which Bellefontaine Neighbors has not had to do yet. Like other municipalities in St. Louis County, Bellefontaine Neighbors got a slice of a $173 million pie. So far, $23 million has gone to municipal relief. Another $19.6 million was dedicated to small business relief. Who needs this money more, the municipalities or the bars and restaurants?
Municipalities, because if we have a bad winter, and we have to get people out here, and our people work 24/7 when you have a lot of snow, and we have to pay overtime.
Are you saying without this money, snow removal would be in jeopardy?
It would be in jeopardy, that's correct.
In Hazelwood, nearly $1.7 million in federal funding will also be used to defray public safety costs. And according to the city manager, it will keep other services intact that might otherwise be in jeopardy.
For us, every dollar that comes in is a dollar that's used to provide services. If we have less dollars, that means less services. This money is helping us to make sure that we continue to maintain the services as much as possible. So I think that's different compared to the private sector.
Even in communities that are considered affluent, federal money is covering bills that would otherwise fall on local taxpayers. In Ladue, nearly $600 grand will cover payroll and overtime needs, primarily for police and firefighters, and a smaller slice, $15 grand, will cover masks, sanitizer, and professional facility cleaning. And although these might seem like large amounts of money, some cities say more is needed. Do you guys feel like you still need more money?
Absolutely, absolutely. We need more money because people are still getting sick, people are still taking off because of it, and we're still paying them. So our expenses has not stopped.
If the county receives more federal money, we will let you know. And of course, we will continue to track the dollars the county has already received. In St. Louis County, Chris Nagus, News 4 investigates.